Hello everybody, Shiko Automobile here. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to use this lishi HU101 to unlock and decode this door lock from a Ford Fusion 2015. So as you can see, there's some numbers that I've already written down here. These are the numbers that we're gonna be picking. If you follow my next video, I'll show you how to get these numbers. So these numbers are what we're gonna be, picking from this with this lishi. So insert the key, apply a little pressure, just a little pressure. So we go. So 9, not ready. 8, little pick. 5, not ready. 4 picked. We do 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. Do it again. 10, 7, 3, 2. We go 9 picked, 5, 4. We do one more time. 9, 8, 5, 4. So we do the bottom. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. We do the top. 9, 8, 5, 4. 7, 6, 3, 2. Do it again. 10, 7, 6. 6 is bouncy. 3, 2. Go up. 9, 8, 5, 4. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. One more. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. We do up. 9, bouncy. 5, 4, not ready. We do it again. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. 9, not ready. 8, not ready. 5, 4. We do 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. We do it again. 9, bouncy. 8, 5, 4. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2. 10, nine, 7, 8, 5. Boom. Unlocked. Okay. That is how you unlock. And so now we're gonna select and we're gonna pick the numbers. We're gonna pick the wafers, now that we've unlocked it. So we start from number one. So number one, you can feel it. I would say 5, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, then 10 is 5. So that's how you pick and decode the lock on using HU101. Thanks for watching and bye bye.